Now let's take a look at another Beamable feature prefab. I've got an empty project set up with Beamable already installed. Let's open up the toolbox and get started. There's a dedicated window Beamable that has several different options. We're going to go into the toolbox. The toolbox is organized into sections, and in each section there are relevant feature prefabs. Now let's take a look at the inventory flow. This allows players to manage their in-game inventory. I'm going to open up the common section and drag out the inventory flow. This inventory system allows you as the game maker to concentrate on how your players will earn these items and use them. And Beamable takes care of inventory management on the front end and the back end. You're able to skin the UI to have a look and feel that you want. And let's give a play here and see what the default look is. In this demo, I've given myself a demo object of a jewel, and I have one of those items displayed in my inventory.